Alright, so we are going to install the sound card. So we'll look at the task on the left hand side, which is to install the sound card with optical output, view the details for each card to identify the card with an optical audio connector, boot into the BIOS and disable onboard sound card, and boot into Windows and verify that new sound card is recognized and the onboard sound card does not appear in device manager. So let's install our sound card. So we open up our motherboard. Okay. Then we go to sound cards. So we look at the sound card with sound card we'll be looking at is the one that have optical audio connector. So let's check this. Optical audio connector. Let's look at this. Okay. Remember, what we're looking out for is optical audio connector. So we're going to boot into BIOS and disable the onboard sound card. So we're going to press a power button here and press the F2 physical button on the keyboard. Not the virtual keyboard. We can't reach the manual keyboard. So we press the physical keyboard with you. Alright, so we're going to disable the onboard sound card. So where would that likely be? What system configuration? Let's see. Audio. Here. Enable audio. So the audio is currently enabled, so yes, we disable it and we apply, exit. You can see that all the tasks is complete, so you just go ahead and score.